Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to list your business for sale on Seek.com. Of course, this is an important topic to discuss, so make sure to stick by and follow this step-by-step guide on how to do that or how to list your business for sale on Seek.com. And of course, if you're looking to sell your business and connect with potential buyers, let's dive into it and get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type seek business.com and hit the enter button. Okay, I shouldn't have added this. Seek business.com without the comma, of course, and hit the enter button. That should take you. Oh, okay, sorry. Maybe I should add .ao and hit the enter button. No, maybe it should take us right away to the home screen or main screen, as you can see. Yeah. So that will take us right away to the home screen or main screen of Seek business websites. And of course, here, if you have an account, make sure to go and sign in into it by clicking on the sign in at the top right corner. And of course, just fill your information or your details and you'll be signed in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on register, or you can simply go and click on sign up at the home screen. So simply make sure to go and do so. And of course, if you're just registering, make sure to go and read all the privacy statements so you will be aware of everything and you will not have any problem with them in the future, as an example. So if you just created your account, as you can see, you will have to fill some normal information like your first name as an example. For me, I'm just going to do random stuff. Of course, for you, make sure to fill everything accurate. Why do you plan to use Seek Business for? As an example, I don't know, I'm just going to do selling my business or buying a business or doing whatever I want. For us, we would like to sell or to list my business. So normally it's going to be selling a business. So here we'll have to go and fill some information about that business. An example, as you can see, please provide your business details. Example, the name. I'm just going to put test. And here you can add the ABN or Australian business number. So make sure to go and add yours. As an example, I'm just going to put random numbers here. And here you'll have to go and put your phone number. Then simply click and continue. So here it needs 11 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We should delete just one and click and continue. Of course, this is a random number. So for you, you'll have to, as I said, add accurate things. So as you can see here, you'll find some top picks for you for businesses, as you can see, if you want to buy or anything. But for us, we would like to sell a business or to list a business. So of course, if you want to do that, we can simply click here on sell a business as an example. And let's just wait for the page until it loads. Should not take a lot of time. So here, as you can see, you haven't selected the packages. So if you want to sell a business, you'll have to go and select a package first. So as you can see, it takes an average of 6 to 9 months to sell a business in Australia. Our advertising package ensure your business is showcased to buyers for enough time for them to do their research and inquire when they are ready. So as you can see, there's the 6-month ad pack. Advertise your business for 6 months. It will cost you $350. And of course, there's the list until sold ad. It will cost you kind of $600. And there is this option which is advertise until sold, and will do the hard work for you. So for this, you will not have to do everything. Of course, they will do everything for you, but you will have to go and pay $150 kind of. And as you can see, you can simply click on checkout and you'll go and pay. Then you'll be able to sell your business. And of course, for you, once you go and get your business to sell, they'll actually ask you to add some more information about your business as an example. So you'll have to provide the business details. So of course, you'll have to provide the necessary details about your business. So you'll have to fill information such as the business name, industry, location, size, and comprehensive description of your business. And of course, you can include the key selling points, financial information, customer base, and any unique aspects that makes your business attractive to potential buyers. And of course, be transparent and provide accurate information. Then, of course, you can include some images and supporting documents to enhance your business listing. Of course, it's recommended to include the images and supporting documents, as I said, and of course, make sure to upload high quality images that showcase your business, promise products or services. And of course, you can also attach relevant documents such as financial statements or business plans or any other pertinent informations that will help potential buyers gain a better understanding of your business. And of course, then you will have to determine or you'll have to determine in the price, or you can set the asking price and terms. So, of course, the asking price and setting the terms for your business sale is a crucial step. So consider factors such as the market value, industry trends, and assets, and potential for growth. And of course, set a realistic and competitive asking price. You can also like specify the terms of for the sales, such as the desired payments method, financial options, or any other relevant conditions. As an example here, if you go and click on buy business, as you can see, you can go and look for people what are doing here with their business. One, they are listing their business. As you can see, there is a good description with good details on their business. So you can go and get some inspirations from this buy and list. And of course, you can go and do every good thing that you found here in your once you are selling your business. And of course, you can simply before finalizing your business listing, take time to review all the details carefully, and of course ensure that the business description, images, documents, and contracts informations are accurate and complete. So make sure to do not make any mistake, and of course make any necessary edits or revisions. Once you are confident in your listing, of course, you can simply click on publish. You'll find this, of course, as we said, once you choose your plan, and you'll be able to do everything after that by your own. You'll just simply have to follow the prompt, and it's gonna be pretty simple. Once you click, of course, the publish or list button to make your business listing live on Seek.com, you'll be good to go, and you will find it here on buy a business with other businesses for here. You can simply go and type the keyword that's relevant to your business, and you'll find your business for sure. Of course, you can even choose this or use this tab of advanced or advice and tips, and that will help you a lot while you are trying to sell your business or list your business. So make sure to go and read any necessary thing that could be good for you or that could help you. So this page also will help you a lot. And of course, there you have it. So our step-by-step guide on how to list your business for sale on Seek.com. Of course, by following these steps, you can effectively showcase your business and connect with potential buyers. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel or for our channel for more insightful content. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Wishing you success in your selling your business on Seek.com, and I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.